Hi there and welcome to this WPP10 review. Is the WPP10 a legit site? Can you really make money with the site? So I took it for a test drive and I'm going to share with you my findings on the site. I'm going to show you everything about the compensation plan, how it works, so that you have a clearer picture of what the site is all about, and then you'll be able to make a much more informed decision on whether this is a right way for you to make money online. My name is Rupesh, and I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best and the legit ways to making money online. So if it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within this world of online business. And if you want to check out my number one recommendation to making money online, then please feel free to click on a link that is directly below this video. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at what the official WPP10 website looks like. Initially, there is an announcement that is directed to South African citizens, but I will chat more about that later on as we go through this review. Then once I close that announcement, there is the VIP area, a piggy bank section, and a section for promotional rewards. And if you go down, then there's the task hall, and if you go further down, there is the membership list, and these are apparently all the members who have completed tasks on the official WPP10 website. If you look further down, there is also additional tabs. One is for the task, VIP section, profit section, and that is your personal profile section. So that in a nutshell is what the site looks like. Who are the founders of the WPP website? Okay, so here what you're looking at right now is the blog post article that I wrote on my website called passiveincomeforall.com. Now, the official website does not have any information on who the owners or the founders are, and later on they do introduce to you membership plans, and I'm going to show you that some of these plans are quite expensive to get involved with, and the fact that there's no owner, that does pose as a red flag. So I did ask on my website, would you seriously go into business investing your hard-earned cash with someone who hides behind the curtain? I did manage to find out when the site was registered, and according to the Whois domain website, it was only registered on the 27th of October, and I wrote this blog post on the 28th of October. So as you can see, it was quite recently that the site came into operation, and they do claim to serve the public for a period of 1 full year. And they even mention it here, over the past year, we have seen all the people who are working hard. And how is that possible if they only came into operation last year in October? So what exactly is a WPP10 website all about? So now initially, the mission statement of the company is not made very clear, but initially you will read here that the company or the founders of the company have created this website to help South Africans to financially recover from the impact of the pandemic. And this is where they say the reason we exist is to help more people escape the hardships of unemployment and employment. Now, basically what WPP10 is, it's a get paid to initiative. Now, with most get paid to websites, the members who join get rewarded for completing certain tasks, like maybe downloading an app or playing video games or watching a YouTube video and that sort of stuff. And in exchange for doing these tasks, they may get rewarded in Amazon gift cards or points. In this case here, you get paid in cash. Now, in addition to the WPP task section, they also have a referral program where members can invite other people to join as well, where they will earn from the efforts of others who join. But there's also membership packages, which I will talk about in the compensation plan section. Okay, so we're back here in the membership area, and I just want to show you when you click on task, this is supposedly the section where you would get tasks to do, and anything that you do, you'll get rewarded for it. And as you can see, once I clicked on the task tab, then there was no task that came up to it. So there's nothing much else you can do but to look at the membership packages which they have, which you can join, and you can make money from those packages as well. Now that I'm going to take you to my website again and explain that to you. So like I said, initially it's free to join, But you can only successfully register if you have an invite code. And once you're in a members area, you can stay as a free member for as long as you like, and then you can earn cash for completing a certain number of tasks. As you can see, I did not have any. But if you're on the free membership option, you will only have about 5 tasks to complete, or you can upgrade to one of the VIP plans. And then with the plans, which is paid plans, of course, the more higher the plan you get for tasks, the more money you can make. And you can start off as an intern, and then as an intern you get 5 daily tasks, and then for each task you complete, you can earn 5 rands. This is 5 South African rands. And at the time of writing this review, I told you there was no tasks. Okay, now these are the various membership packages that you had. The VIP packages, number 1, the cost is 400 rand, and then VIP 2 cost is 800 rand. You can do 10 daily tasks, and then it goes all the way to 51,000 rand, and that's where you can get 40 daily tasks. And the higher the plan, the more tasks you get. In addition, the more commissions they pay you per level. Now what I mean by this is that not only will you get paid for completing a certain task, but they will pay you a bit more for each task on the higher levels. For instance, VIP 1 and 2, they only pay 5 rand per task, but then if you go on to VIP 3, you get paid 10 rand for the task, VIP 4 15 rand, VIP 5 50 rand, VIP 6 75 rand. So basically the amount of money you can make per month will definitely depend on the plan that you make. The plan that you join on. Now it's not as easy as just doing the task and then getting your money from them. You have to reach a certain amount of money on each withdrawal in order to have the money deposited into your account, and they allow you to withdraw your funds at any time. However, you need to be a member of either Absa, Capitec or the Nedbank group, but you have, like I said, you have to reach a certain limit. Every time you want a withdrawal process, your first withdrawal, once you make a minimum of 100 rand, then the second withdrawal is 300 rand. Up until the 8th or more withdrawals, then you need to reach a minimum of 10,000 rand. Now, as you can see, to reach these levels is not going to be quite easy if you just simply rely on your task, because there's no guarantee of task jobs. So how exactly do you make money with WPP10? You can earn in 3 ways as a WPP10 member. The first way, as I mentioned, is by completing simple tasks. Then the second way is by upgrading to one of the paid VIP membership packages. And this is when you earn app rewards should you upgrade to one of the paid plans. Like if you were to, if you're on the VIP plan 1, then the app rewards you with 60 rand, and there's a hiring manager who apparently pays you 50 rand. So you get a total of 110 rand back. On the VIP plan 2, the app rewards you with 120 rand. The manager pays you 88 rand, and you get 208 rand in total. And then on the VIP 3 plan, you get 360 rand, and then the manager pays you 200 rand, and you get 560 rand in total. Now this is how it will carry on for the rest of the plans, but you get the general idea. Right, now I want to show you the third way, which is via the referral program, and that's the compensation plan. This is where you can invite friends to join by sharing your referral link. And as you can see here, it goes down to 3 levels deep. So basically what it means is, on the first level, let's just say if you were on the VIP 1, then on the first level, you would earn 12% from anybody whom you directly sponsor. So whatever plan they on and they purchase, you would earn 12% on that. Then the level that goes below that, which is your first level of indirect referrals, you would earn 4%. And then the third level, which is your referrals referral, this is where you would earn a 2% commission. And I wrote on my site a very important note for my readers, is that if you recommend someone to join and you only get the referrals commission from the first recharge, thereafter, if he or she upgrades to a higher level, you lose out on any commission. So in other words, you have to be on a highest level in order to get all the commissions from anybody who joins. And as I showed you, that the highest level is quite expensive, 51,000 rand. Okay, so this is what we know thus far about WPP10, is that There are expensive membership packages. There's no owner transparencies. There's no products or services that you can sell. There's no refunds or money back guarantee policy. And most importantly, you have to recruit other people in order to earn the higher commissions. So now, is WPP10 a scam? Okay, so is WPP10 a scam? Now, I want to tell you that I have seen members earn commissions from this company. There are folks who have posted screenshots in WhatsApp messages showing that money has been deposited into their bank account. So does this mean that WPP10 is a legit website? Look, in my opinion, I would still not recommend it, and here are some of the reasons. We know already that there's no real owner. The directors claim to have made a $1 billion payout, but there's no proof to back this up. Secondly, there's no guarantee of any task. As you have seen, I have yet to receive my very first task. And if you are relying on the task to make money online, then it might not go exactly the way you planned. The only option then would be to invest in one of the membership, VIP membership packages. Then the third thing is there's no products or services for you to earn any retail profit. So what this means is that if you invest in a company, then in order to recoup your money back, then you would have to recruit people so that you can get some of the money that you invested back. And as we have seen, that to twist your arm even further, that if you don't want to lose out on any money, then you would have to go for the highest paid membership packages, and it's about very expensive and it may not be affordable for everyone. So if the only way you can make money is through the sale of membership packages, then if members stop investing in a company, what actually is going to happen? Then the scheme will eventually collapse. In my personal opinion, I do believe that the people on the top, or the founders, or whoever they are, they will stand to gain the most. They are paying out a very small fraction compared to how much members are actually investing into the company. And this does mean that eventually, when there comes a time when members or when the owners decide to pull out, then they can pull out at any time they want, leaving the people who are new to the company to lose out on the most. WPP10 can be a very costly venture. You are investing a considerable amount of money, but you might not be getting much in return. They are not teaching you solid skills that's going to help you to build an online business. If, like I said, the scheme should collapse, then you'll be left back at square one trying to find a way to making money online. Like I said, this is just my opinion of WPP10. I do believe that there are better ways to making money online. If you want to learn on how to make real money online and build your very own online business, then the best way is to invest in yourself. Equip yourself with the skills that is necessary to build a solid online business. In that way, nobody can take those skills away from you. And once you know those skills, then it's simply a matter of duplicating the entire process. So if you want to learn on how you can get started with building your very own online business, feel free to check out my #1 recommendation, which is directly below this video. Thanks so very much for joining me on this video. I hope that it has helped you and you have a clearer picture now of what WPP10 is all about. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And remember, if you want to learn how to build your very own online business, click on the link that is directly below this video. I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.